friend, nice to see you again. This is Monica. Today I want to introduce some facial mask packaging to you guys. It can be different style, different size, and different surface. I think the most commonly used packaging style is stand-up pouches and flat pouches. We also can custom special shaped pouch. It will make your products more special and attractive. This bag can custom with colorful printing and featured with resealable zipper, hand hole, and tail notch. Inside of the bags will add aluminum foil to maintain the product's freshness. If you are in the business of cosmetics, especially in the case of selling face masks, then welcome to contact us to custom your bags. See you next time. Bye.